Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this design is a better design for Nakristo by Afolayan Joshua. Yeah, he created the design and I'm going to show you the technique behind it. It's a simple design and I want to show you how you too can recreate it. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Do well to like this video, subscribe, and it's very important that you subscribe and you always like the video so that more persons are going to see it. So come over to head over to my YouTube channel, Liamoda TV, and you will see a lot and a lot of tutorials and videos that's going to be of help to you. You can check through my YouTube channel. This is my other channel. Make sure you subscribe and you would not regret the decision. All right, so this is the design. The size for the design is 1024 for the width and then 1280 for the height. All right, so let's jump right into it now. So basically the science behind the design is first having a background. All right, so the background is going to have a color. So that is what I mean is this: you're going to have, sorry, go to shapes, and you're going to get a shape that will fill the canvas like this. That's the first thing, right? Then that particular shape you just choose, you're going to select color. You're going to go to gradient. You're going to choose any of them at first. Let's say this one, right? Then you're going to click here, the plus, and you look at this part, this guy here. This one is radiant. They call it radiant gradient. Okay, so this white part here, you're going to select it and you're going to go and pick this color at the edge. Then the middle, which is the black one, you're going to choose a white color for it. If you do that, you're going to get this. Are you getting me now? If you do that well, you're going to get this. So once you've gotten this, the next thing you want to do is to get the image that is going to serve as the background. So this is it. I got this image. Okay, so that's that. So what I did to get this is, first and foremost, let me hide this one. What we did here, let me remove this one. To get this particular guy is to come over here, select color, go to gradient and choose any of the colors. All right, so for now I just want to push this in like this. I will get this. It's not still giving me what I want. Still push it in. Let's see. All right, I know what's happening, so I'm going to increase this. All right, then push it out. It gets a lot. All right, still push it out. No, do like this. All right, okay. All right, so alternatively, if you don't want to use that method, okay, you can just come here, select a. What's happening now? Okay, okay, I'm actually working on the background instead of this guy. So this is what you select. All right, which is this guy here. So once you select it, then you click on it, then you select like this. All right, so let's work on it now. Let's click here. Let's come here. So what I was doing seemed like it was not working. It was actually working. So this is what we're going to have, right? So once you have this, you can bring in the image now to the front like this. So all you just need to do is to remove the color like this. So see what I was going to do here. I was going to bring this one to the front, remove the color from it. So let's put it here, let's drag it here like this, and let's bring this guy to the front like this. All right, so like this. So it's not the perfect image, but something like that, right? So we can remove this guy now. So this one that we have here, we're going to we're going to um we're going to change the color. So I want to choose a color that is like the original color. If I use that, there will be a problem. So let's choose a neutral color. let's choose let's choose black. Okay, let's choose black or red. So let's choose black. If we choose black like this, we have to merge both images together. So like this, one, two. So we'll merge it together like this. And when we merge it together like this, we're going to get this shape. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to increase this. I'm going to increase this a little and make sure that it fills completely everything. Then I'm going to select it and I'll come over here, erase color, and I'll erase the black. If I erase the black, I'm going to get the I'll be able to see behind. You understand? So, but look at what I want to do now. I'm going to do this. All right, so that's all right. So why I'm doing that, because I want to work on those lines. All right, so if I go to the back now and I select any color, you will see the color. That is where we're going to be putting all our images. So for here, we want to put in this guy. I want to put in this particular guy here. All right, and we'll send it to the back. Are you seeing that now? Okay, so there are a few images in the original design. To put this one here, send it to the back, and then send this guy to the back. So we'll have something like this, right? Okay, then we can bring this guy here. All right, something here. All right, like that, right? So we can send it to the back because everything must be inside. So this one, we'll send it to the back. Then we'll send this guy to the back. So we have something like this, right? Are you seeing that now? So we bring in this guy here. What is it? This particular effect. Yeah. All right, we'll just drag it here and put it here. Okay, then we'll okay, I know what to do now. So we'll bring this one here. Then we'll copy this one, copy this one, and put it somewhere there. And just make it a little bit faint. Then change the color to white. Okay. All right. Then after you're done with everything you want to do, if you notice that this guy is coming to the front, so let's bring this guy to the front like this. Then we'll bring this one to the front. They'll bring this one to the front. So after we're done, we can now bring this whole frame to the front. So we have something like this. All right. Then we can add some shadows around this part, but we're going to make it faint. So all right, stay adjust it a little. All right, so that means I want to bring this one to the front like this. Don't worry, I want to bring this guy now to the front too. All right, then I'll bring this guy to the front. Oh man, I'll bring this guy to the front. I'll bring this guy to the front. I'll lock both, and then I'll bring this guy. Will just lock it. So we can bring this guy to the front. We can bring this guy here to the front. So we have something like this. All right, then we can bring this particular guy to the front. So this is what we have, right? That's what we have. Then we can adjust this guy. All right, are you seeing that now? Can adjust that guy. Then, all right, so I can put this one here, just small there like that. All right, then just come here and we'll put +1. So put happy birthday here. Right, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Yeah, it will help me a lot if you subscribe. I will really appreciate it. All right, so if you want to get the exact color, so just pick it from here. All right, so just come over here and then let's do this. Please do it to subscribe and like the video. All right, so reduce it, put it there. All right, then copy this and put the +1 there. All right, so what I do on this channel is to make you understand those designs that you feel. So I show you how it is created and make you to understand them very well. All right, so I'm going to reduce this and I'm going to put it there. All right, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to crop this guy out like this. I'm going to put it there. Oh, I think okay. All right, so this design is done. So always ensure that you save your work, so you can come over here and save it as Crystal. Okay, so when you're done, ensure that you also come here and you save in Ultra. So when you're done, you go over to Snapseed and make the edits. So we're going to Snapseed right now. So when you get to Snapseed, please subscribe. So the first thing you want to do here is to click on this. You accentuate, it brings out the color, but you see the color is too much. All right, so we go over to smooth. No, I don't want smooth. I'm going to go back. In fact, okay, I can leave this one. I can go over here, go to saturation. All right, can just reduce it a little. All right, then we can come over to um detail. I can go to sharpen and just sharpen it more. All right, so we have something like that. So when you're done, go ahead and save your design, and don't leave this video until you've liked, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you.